Oh, there it is. So, in 1991 and 1992, Colin McRae joined the Subaru Rally team, and he competed for them in the British Rally Championship and won 2 years running, 1991 and 1992, in the 555 4-door Subaru Wrx Sti. And then in 1995 he became the first ever Scottish person to win the World Rally Championship in a Subaru Wrx Sti 22B version. And he also became the world's youngest driver to win that competition. And recently his car sold in an auction for £225,000. Crazy. And it looked just like this. The iconic 555 livery I've got on it, of course. Insert the picture roundabout here, please. And that car means a lot to many people, and of course, he was an insane driver. He put risks in the Welsh Rally Championship, I believe, or in the Welsh Rally. He went into the water jump and busted his radiator, but still managed to finish seconds ahead of any other driver in that competition. So, a madman. So please do enjoy the Subaru special. These are all the Subarus I have currently. There will be another video going up soon. I hope you do enjoy that one. That one will be pretty special. And we will start off with the blue 22B. So we do have a pink badge, which is obviously the STI version. The headlights, which are nicely detailed in a glazed kind of effect, which I do actually really like that. Indicators on both sides. Gold, which of course Subaru is well known for their gold with blue liveries, so perfect to see. This is a new for 2020 model, so we are a bit of a year late. Rear lights, we do have very detailed rear lights with the reverse indicator brake lights and a Hot Wheels exhaust logo there. A massive wing, which I'm very happy to see that they haven't cheaped out and done the wing has been plastic. Very happy about that. Very happy that it's not like that. So it is of course fully metal, which means it does weigh quite a bit from mainline. So there's the white with the blue colourway. That was the first ever 22B released. We have a red one, a red recolour, which I found pretty recently out with my sister, so thank you to her. That's Rebecca. So we do have rear tampos on this one, really nice, really fits in with the red. So exactly all the same details in this one as the blue one. And flick around different wheels. I do actually prefer these a lot more, because I think it looks a lot better. The tampos are slightly a bit messed up on this one, but nevertheless they are there. Credit to Hot Wheels for making them. Card art for that red one is right here on a short card. Then we'll move on to the newer version, we'll say, which is the 16 Subaru Wrx Sti, and this one was from the Fast and Furious, this one was from the Fast and Furious Fast Tuners set. It features front and rear light tampos from the premium line, front details, which is the STI logo and the Subaru logo. On the side we have those beautiful rear rider rails, with beautiful flared arches to affect the Wrx World Rally Championship modern body kit, we'll call it. Rear lights, badge, and the plastic rim, which I'm really happy they have not done on these cars. So that is a really solid thing with the details such as the B pillar and surrounding details like that. Also the wing mirror has been slightly detailed, and on the roof, on the bonnet, we have some details on there as well. So generally a really good casting, really like that one. And the Fast and Furious Fast Tuners, 5 out of 5. the Civic EG hatch, the Mazda RX-7 FD, the Nissan Silvia S15, and the Nissan 240SX S14. So that are my Subarus. They are them there. I'm going to say a quick thank you to Wrx DIECAST, HEWITTZ DIECAST, Mustang Hunter, Datsun Man DIECAST, King Nut, Twice DIECAST, Big A's DIECAST, New Collector, Big A's, oh, I already said Big A. Oh man, it's gone brilliantly. Big thank you to Drifter D. Everyone, you know who you are, you're all amazing. Thank you all for your help. And I do really hope you will enjoy the cinematics right about now.